The mayor says he hears the frustration and pain from the community and agrees it's time to take a hard look at what needs to change to make sure every single person who lives in the city feels safe, especially when they dial 911.
Public safety must mean safety for everyone, including those experiencing crisis. Safety just cannot exist in some neighborhoods and not others. Justice cannot show up on one block and disappear on the next.
The North Hartford Public Safety Coalition says a door-to-door campaign at more than 100 homes in the community revealed what neighbors say they need to move forward after 2 black men were shot and killed by Hartford police officers in separate incidents.
We are calling for a public community briefing within 7 days.
7 days.
7 days. 7 days. Where residents can hear directly from the police chief about these incidents and ask questions.
Yes.
Our second demand is the termination of the officers involved in both shootings.
Right. Yes.
As a part of restoring accountability and trust.
Community leaders say neighbors specifically called on Hartford Mayor Arunan Arulampalam and said, quote, real leadership starts with communication. And Thursday afternoon.
Right now, there's nothing we can do in the case of this officer until the state inspector general concludes that investigation.
That communication from the mayor came.
There's an independent investigation happening at the state level. The city is legally not allowed to act right now. Any action we take right now would result in invalidating the entirety of any action we take in this case. Once that investigation concludes, then we have the ability through internal investigation to act as a city, and in addition, that action is reviewed by an independent inspector general at the city level, along with the Civilian Police Review Board.
While the city's hands are tied in terms of the investigation, Mayor Arulampalam says leaders are focused on changes they can make.
We have a system of mental health coverage in this city for calls that go into 911. It's a system that's funded for the next 2 years, and we hope to continue it down the road after that. But there is a mental health response. I think we're looking at, can we improve that mental health response? Are there other ways we can use non-lethal force in this city to prevent incidents like this? We will be looking in the days and weeks and months ahead to improve that process.
A process he says Hartford neighbors are entitled to.
I've consistently been trying to bring people into this conversation on what we can do better as a city. And we are going to continue to have an open and transparent and accountable process that produces a level of transparency and accountability that this community is asking us for, and then frankly this community deserves.
Neighbors say while they understand this situation is under investigation and not a lot can be released, they believe a public forum where the police chief and mayor can share what this investigation entails would ease tensions. In Hartford, Annette Montgomery, Fox 61.